Now it's time to put together all 3 progressions that you've learned in order to master your Tornado 360. The swing, the switch, and the spin.
Wow, that's cool, man.
Thanks.
Your goal is to become really comfortable with performing these skills. And the only way to do that is through repetition, again and again. You should get used to flying in the air. And you should try to land with control. You're gonna have a few spills. Some days will go perfectly. And some days won't. It took me about a month of consistent training to finally master this spin progression. Come join me. In our next video, I'll show you how to start reaching to catch that bar.